Hello and welcome back to Unlock the Inbox. In this video we'll pick up where we left off before on the DNS Lookups page. We'll now go from the MX Records tab over to the A Records tab. Simply clicking on the A Records tab here, you'll see that the data here on our grid has changed. This is the A record for the website. An A record is basically the mapping between a domain or subdomain and an actual IP address. This is pretty much the bread and butter of the internet. When you type in www.unlocktheinbox.com into your browser, it'll check with the DNS server and say, hey, what's the IP address to that address so I can make my connection, because your browser and whatnot behind the scenes, it's not making transactions back and forth with the actual text you type in. It translates that to a number, which is like your street address for your house, and it basically uses that to find the server and will then make your connection. At this point in time, you'll see that the host name is changed. Back on the MX Record tab, it was actually the mail server. Over here, we're looking at the A record. This will have the domain name, your IP address, and as before, these are pretty standard fields. You're going to see a link over to the blacklist tool, open relay tool, some whois and errand records, and again, a nice description down here for you. And once again, this result is reported by an authoritative server. You have all the standard export buttons. Your share button up here again is right there. And you can again monitor this domain directly from the grid on this tab. That is the A Records page for DNS Lookups. And before I close this video, I'd just like to mention that you can download our Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. Simply do a search for Unlock the Inbox with no spaces, and you'll see the email deliverability checker. And you can go ahead and click to install that on Chrome if you're using Chrome. At the current moment, I'm actually using Firefox, so I can't install that. But that doesn't mean you cannot if you're a Chrome user. It's a very handy tool. And there'll be a follow-up video showing how that actually looks and works in the Chrome environment. And that'll be all for today. Thank you.